Did you know that finding the perfect phone for seniors doesn't have to be a daunting task? Today, there are a variety of simple, user-friendly devices designed specifically for older adults. These aren't your typical smartphones loaded with apps and features. Instead, they focus on what really matters: ease of use, clear communication, and just enough functionality to keep loved ones connected. Whether you're looking for a device that supports essential apps like WhatsApp or one that's purely for calls and texts, there's a perfect match out there. From classic flip phones to modern yet straightforward 4G models, the variety is impressive, ensuring there's a phone that fits the unique needs of every senior. These phones are designed to simplify technology, not complicate it, making them perfect for those who want a stress-free experience. And don't worry, I've included links in the description for each of these models, so you can easily check out the prices or make a purchase. Let's dive into the best phones for seniors, starting with a device that blends simplicity with modern connectivity. The first option on our list is the Nokia 6300 4G. This phone stands out for its classic design paired with modern 4G capabilities. What makes this phone ideal for seniors is its robust build combined with essential smart features, including WhatsApp. This means staying in touch with family and friends through calls, texts, and even video chats is straightforward and stress-free. The Nokia 6300 4G also comes with a battery life that can last days on a single charge, so there's no need to worry about constant recharging. It's the perfect balance of old-school reliability and modern convenience, making it easy for seniors to stay connected. Imagine your loved one using this phone to quickly share a photo, send a message, or make a call with just a few button presses. No touchscreen confusion, just simple, reliable communication. Plus, its ergonomic design ensures that it's comfortable to hold and easy to carry around, making it a perfect companion whether at home or on the go. This phone is also incredibly durable, so it can withstand the occasional drop or bump, offering peace of mind for both the user and their family. Next, we have the Jitterbug Smart 4. Unlike many complex smartphones, this device is specifically designed with seniors in mind. It features a large, easy-to-read screen and oversized icons that simplify navigation. This phone isn't just about making calls. It supports apps like WhatsApp, which can be a game changer for seniors who want to stay connected with family members through messages, photos, and videos. One of the standout aspects of the Jitterbug Smart 4 is its voice typing feature, allowing seniors to dictate messages instead of typing them out. This is especially useful for those who might struggle with small keyboards or who prefer speaking over typing. The large screen also makes it easier to watch videos or look at photos without straining the eyes, adding to its user-friendly nature. Picture your elderly family member using this phone to stay connected, effortlessly sending voice messages or video chatting without the hassle of complex technology. The phone also includes a straightforward emergency button, providing an extra layer of security. Its sleek design might look modern, but it's built with a clear purpose: to be as senior-friendly as possible. It's an excellent choice for those who want a more smartphone-like experience without the overwhelming complexity of most modern devices. Moving on, the SPC Stella 2 offers another excellent option for those seeking simplicity with a touch of style. This phone is all about being straightforward: large buttons, a loud speaker, and a clear display that's easy on the eyes. One of its best features is the talking keypad, which announces the numbers as they're pressed. This is particularly beneficial for seniors with vision difficulties, ensuring they always dial the right number. The SPC Stella 2 doesn't support WhatsApp or other apps, which might be a relief for those who prefer a distraction-free device that focuses solely on calls and texts. It's the kind of phone that lets seniors communicate without worrying about complicated settings or confusing apps. Imagine how reassuring it would be to know that your elderly loved one can easily make a call, even if their eyesight isn't what it used to be. This phone is designed to offer peace of mind for both the user and their family, knowing that communication is just a simple button press away. Its compact design also means it can easily slip into a pocket or purse, making it a practical choice for seniors who value both convenience and reliability. The simple and clear design also makes it less intimidating for those who might be hesitant to use more modern devices. Our fourth option, the Jitterbug Flip 2, is specifically crafted for the North American market. This flip phone is the epitome of simplicity. It combines the nostalgia of flip phones with the modern necessity of clear and loud communication. The Jitterbug Flip 2 features large backlit buttons and a screen that displays text in bold, making it easy to read even in low light. The phone's loud and clear speaker is perfect for those who have trouble hearing on standard phones. A particularly thoughtful feature is the dedicated urgent response button, which connects the user directly to emergency services or a family member with just one press. This feature is invaluable for providing an extra sense of security for seniors living independently. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable, no-frills phone that's easy to use and understand. Envision your loved one confidently using this phone, whether they're answering a call from a grandchild or needing to reach help in an emergency. This phone covers all the basics without overwhelming them with unnecessary extras. The classic flip design also makes it compact and durable, ideal for seniors who prefer a more traditional phone feel. Plus, it's designed to last, so you won't need to worry about replacing it anytime soon, making it a great long-term investment. For our European viewers, the SPC Zeus 4G Pro Plus is a top choice that combines simplicity with modern connectivity. This phone supports 4G and comes with WhatsApp, making it an excellent choice for those who want to stay connected with family and friends without dealing with the complexities of a full-fledged smartphone. The SPC Zeus 4G Pro Plus features large buttons and a straightforward interface, ensuring that even those who aren't tech-savvy can easily navigate the phone's features. The loud and clear speaker ensures that conversations are always easy to hear, and the long battery life means the phone will last through multiple days of use without needing a recharge. It's a solid choice for seniors who want a phone that's easy to use, yet still powerful enough to handle everyday communication needs. Imagine your loved one using this phone to send a quick WhatsApp message or make a call, without any frustration or confusion. Its durable design and straightforward functionality make it an ideal choice for seniors who want just enough technology to stay connected without all the extra bells and whistles. It's a device that offers the perfect blend of simplicity and capability, making it a great option for those who value ease of use. To wrap up, these phones each bring something unique to the table, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether it's the simplicity of the SPC Stella 2, the added security of the Jitterbug Flip 2, or the modern connectivity of the Nokia 6300 4G, there's something here for every senior. Each of these devices is designed to make communication easier without adding unnecessary complications. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Transform your communication experience with these incredible devices. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video. By making the right choice, you can help your loved ones stay connected in a way that's both easy and enjoyable.